Here's my review of the Porter Cable Benchtop sander. It's got a 4x36 belt with an 8-inch sanding disc. It has a 3/4 horsepower induction motor that goes up to 3450 RPMs, so it's got plenty of power. It weighs 52 pounds because it has a cast iron base and aluminum work tables. It does come with a miter gauge and dust bag. So I want to show you guys how big the sander is. It's 23 inches by 16 inches width and almost 24 inches tall. It is a lot bigger than some of the other smaller models out there. Here are the levers to adjust aluminum tables, and here is the belt tension control lever and the belt tracking adjustment. You'll probably spend more time adjusting that belt more than anything. And then this right here is the hidden hex screw that you have to loosen to turn the belt sander from vertical to the horizontal position. I don't know why they went with that when they could have done some sort of friction version instead, but it is what it is. I do keep it in the vertical position. So right here I'm going to show you guys the back of the sander. This is the dust collection port. It's not so great. I recommend plugging it into a shop vac. This is the belt tension control lever and the belt tracking adjustment. Give you guys a better picture of that. And the first thing you want to do when you do get this is to square up the aluminum tables. When you're sanding, obviously this is crucial to make sure you're not at an off angle. You also want to make sure the tables don't have any cupping in them because they are aluminum, so they can bend. I did square up both of these tables, and they're pretty quick and easy to do. I want to show you guys some footage of the actual sander in action. I was able to find that flimsy dust bag, by the way. Here I am. I'm actually applying a lot of pressure, trying to get the sander to stall out, and it really, the 3/4 horsepower motor took it pretty well. I haven't had much experience with it stalling out at all. The belt sander is pretty good. I usually keep it in the vertical position due to the perpendicular positioning of the sander. So here's a quick rundown of the benchtop sander. Let's start with the pros. The motor's pretty strong. As you can see, it doesn't stall that easily. I was able to put a lot of pressure on and not get it to stall out. It is built pretty durable. There's nothing really flimsy on the sander. The tables were easy to square up. There was no cupping on the tables, which is always a plus with these type of machines. I did like that it had an 8-inch sanding disc as opposed to the 6-inch discs a lot of the other smaller models have. Now with the cons, the dust collection is not the best. I would recommend using a dust collection system or plugging into your shop vac. It is a bit on the pricier side when compared to some of the other smaller models. I think this thing runs about $259 at Lowe's. I could be wrong. And I did not like the perpendicular positioning of the belt versus the disc sander. I don't really have a lot of space in the garage, so I have to push this up against the wall. And when I do that, it makes using the disc sander kind of awkward. And the final con was the belt can be difficult to adjust using the tension lever. That took a lot of time to do to stop from slipping off. I know that's a common problem with all belt sanders. Thank you guys for watching the video. I tried to make it as compact as possible. Try to give you the pros and cons and my experiences with the machine. I hope you guys liked it. Please hit that like button and subscribe. I will be trying to upload these as much as I can, and I hope they're informative to you guys. Have a great day.